Today is a very special day on your very own island of Sodor. Come and play exciting mini-games with Thomas and his friends in an amazing train set that magically comes to life. Collect many new toys to build and customize your train set your way. Today, all the engines will be really useful. Happy to see you again. Choose a direction. Left, the Great Waterton Station is coming up. Right leads to... Right leads to... Forward leads to... We're almost at the town square. Left leads to... We're almost at the town square. The passengers have all reached their destination, and thank you very much. Where should we go next? Left leads to... The McCall Farm is coming up. Bubbling boilers! Some sheep have wandered off from the farm. Well done! Your engine had such a good time. The boat has to make some important deliveries. Would you wind up the bridge so it can pass? That's perfect. Your engine loves your train set. Choose a direction. Left lead. Next stop, Crazy Coaster Mountain. Only the boldest of engines will try Crazy Coaster Mountain. Steer your engine through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep your engine on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep your engine on the tracks. Never mind, let's go again. Swipe left or right to keep your engine on the track. Well done! Swipe left or right to keep your engine on the tracks. That was very exciting.